Administrator Settings on your KnowledgeSmart account. KnowledgeSmart offers two different admin types, full admin and sub-admin. A full admin will have access to all available features and data in the account. Sub-admins have the ability to set up tests from a browser, but no admin dashboard access or privileges. Make sure that you are in the Accounts menu. Click the little people icon as shown on the screen. Use the Add Administrator fields to add the new administrator, select the admin type, and complete the process by clicking Add. The new administrator will be notified via email. To change an admin status, just make your selection from the drop-down menu shown on the left. To remove an administrator, just use the Remove Administrator icon as shown on the screen.